Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again, and this video is again about Telegram private access. So this is the group which is private. For the sake of demonstration, I'm showing this. I've already made a video about this topic for Android, especially if you have restrictions, you can bypass that using Google framework. You can check this out, this video particularly over the cards, then you will be able to access Android data and so on. So this method is working for most of the people and most of the devices doesn't allow it. So it's luck by chance. Okay, so if you do not have this access or you are not lucky enough, this method is for you. You can plug your device to the PC and then you can access the same directory, Android data, inside the com.telegram, whatever the defined directory name is, and then within that you will get the files. Okay, so doing the same thing, going over here, and you can see all the file directories are mentioned. So if you are looking for the videos, that all will be listed here, and if it's about the images, will be listed here. Okay, so if you are unable to access that through the mobile way, you can use this PC method and access this directory in the same way that I used for Android device. Now this was the another method, and here I have another one. Okay, this is called Telegram web access. So first you have to log in through your Telegram web, but make sure you log in through the Mozilla Firefox, not through the Chrome, because the extension which it is going to allow is named as a Telegram download. I'm not sure about the author who created this extension or add-on, but yes, this is what it is going to give you access. This is called Telegram downloader. Again, not promoting, it's all up to you. If you want to use this add-on or extension, it's up to you. But after refreshing or installing this, you will be added with download option here. So if you hit download, it will be downloaded and will be saved on your PC. Then you can get your files and enjoy. I know it's kind of frustrating because you can access these files even though they are private, but still they try to make it private so that no one can access. Again, it's just for the sake of demonstration. I do not own any authority or use of these files, so there are these methods available for Telegram. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.